Good morning, dear children. Welcome to your AVS e-learning class. Children, in previous class we have completed chapter 14. Today we are going to learn chapter 15, that is our earth. Okay, so take out page number 86. Okay, I hope you all have taken page number 86. So children, today we are going to know about our earth. Okay, take out your pencil also. You have to read this chapter and listen to me properly. The earth is our home. It is a planet. It is shaped like an orange and moves around the sun. It gets warmth and light from the sun. The earth is made up of land and water. So children, earth is our home. Okay, we live in earth. It is a planet. Okay, it is a planet. What is planet? Children, planets are large object. Okay, it is a large object. Planets are smaller than star. Have you seen star? Yes, planets are smaller than stars. They do not produce light. वो produce नहीं कर सकते light. Okay, light नहीं दे सकते. They do not produce light. Okay, they are smaller than the sun. They are smaller than the stars. वो stars से भी छोटे होते हैं planets. Okay, it is shaped like an orange. Okay, have you seen orange? Yes. Have you eat orange? Yes. Orange is red in color, right? Orange is orange in color, right? So it is shaped like orange. वो orange की तरह shape में है earth. Okay, उसका shape कैसा है? Orange. You can say round in shape. Okay, it is round in shape. Okay, and it moves around the sun. So planet moves around the sun. Okay, there are 8 planets. What are they? They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, and Earth is the third planet. Earth is the third planet. So children, Earth revolves around the sun. Okay, this is the sun. Okay, and Earth is the third planet. It revolves around the sun. Revolve means Earth के पीछे घूमना. Okay, the planets revolve around the sun. So from the sun they get warm and light. उनको क्या मिलता है? Light मिलता है and गरम मिलता है. The earth is made up of land and water. Okay children, why do we live in earth? Do you know? Yes, we live in earth because in earth there is oxygen, water, land and gravity. Okay, क्या क्या है earth में? Oxygen है, water है, land है and gravity है. That's why we live in earth. Is very necessary for life. Okay, for a life you need oxygen and water. Okay, in the other planets there are no life. Okay, so that's why we live in earth. Now we are going to study about land forms. Land is not the same everywhere. There are hills, mountains, valleys, desert, plains and islands on earth. These are called land forms. So children, what is land form? Okay, a land form is a large part of a country. Okay, large part of a country is covered with land mass. Okay, large part of a country is covered with land mass. You can see in pictures. Okay, these are the land. जहाँ हम घर बनाते हैं, जहाँ हम रहते हैं, ओके, पानी में नहीं रह सकते ना, वी लिव ऑन लैंड, दैट्स वाई इट इज called land forms. Okay, land mass means where we can build houses, okay, roads, land instead of water, that is called land forms. You can underline land forms. Okay, land forms. Land mass is covered with, what is the land mass covered with? Land mass covered with hills, mountains, valleys, desert, plains and island on earth. So these land forms are covered with hills, mountains, valleys, desert, plains and islands on earth. We are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, so let us repeat with me what are landforms. Yes, hills, mountains, valleys, desert, plains and islands on earth are called landforms. Okay, now hills. Hills are areas of land that are higher than the surrounding land. They are usually rocky. A hill appears like a cone made on earth. Okay, underline cone and rocky. You can see the picture. This is the hills. Okay, this is the hills. Okay, hills are the area of land which is higher than their surrounding. Okay, hills are the area of land which is higher than their surroundings. For example, this is plain, okay, and this is hill. This is hill, then there is a plain. So these are called hills. What is called this? This is hills. Okay, these are the hills and these are the plains where we make houses. Where we make houses, and this is the hill. Okay, that's why hills are the areas of land which is higher than the surroundings. Now we are going to learn about mountains. Mountains are much higher than hills. They often have rocks or snow at the top. Some mountains are fully covered with snow. These are cold at the top and get warmer as you go down. So children, these are the mountains. You can see these are the mountains. Okay, this is the mountain, and mountains are the much higher than the hills. Okay, ये hills, okay, you can see hills, it is much higher than the hills. Hills से भी बहुत ऊंचा होता है mountains. Okay, you can see these are the hills and these are the mountains. It is very much higher than the hills. बहुत ऊंचा होता है. Okay, and these are often made up of rocks. Okay, you can often find rocks. Okay, they often have rocks or snow at the top. Okay, snow. So children, for example, Himalaya mountain. Have you seen Himalaya mountain? Yes, most of the mountains are covered with snow. Okay, the snowfall comes on the mountains. Okay, snowfall होता है mountain में. So the mountains are most covered with snow. Okay, children, when you go at the top, okay, when we go at the top of the mountain, the temperature gets high and we feel cold, and when we go at the top, the temperature gets high, we feel cold. When we come down, the temperature gets low and we get warmer. Okay, so this is mountains. We will know about what is valley. A valley is an area of low land lying between two hills or mountains, often with a river running through it. So children, you can see this is a valley. Okay, this is the area of lowland lying between. Okay, area lying between two hills. You can find here two hills or two mountains. Okay, ये बीच में रहता है. Valley is found between two hills or two mountains. Okay, with a river running through it. Okay, with a river through it. These are for example, you have in Chhattisgarh you have seen Araku Valley. Okay, Araku Valley, these are the valley, okay, between the hills or the mountains. Okay, now what is plain? A plain is a flat area of land. You can see this is a plain. Okay, it is a flat area of a land. प्लेन मतलब चल सकते, जैसे आप लोग चलते हैं ना, उसको बोलते हैं लैंड. ओके, जहाँ पर चल सकते हैं एकदम अच्छे से, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्लेन. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल इन द वर्ल्ड लिव ऑन द प्लेन एज द लैंड इज फ्लैट, easier to build on and to transport goods. Crops are also grown here. The weather is usually hot in such region. So children, most of the worldwide lives on the plains. यहाँ पर रह सकते हैं क्योंकि ये क्या होता है, लैंड बहुत फ्लैट होता है. ओके, दिस प्लेन आर फ्लैट. ओके, और यहाँ पर बहुत इजी हम बिल्ड कर सकते हैं अपना घर. ओके, रोड, और हम ट्रांसपोर्ट गुड्स यहाँ से वहाँ ले जा सकते हैं, आसानी होती है. बट अगर आप हिल्स में अगर रहोगे तो ऊपर नीचे बहुत तकलीफ हो जाएगी. सो इट इज़ वेरी प्रॉब्लमेटिक टू बिल्ड देयर हाउसेस. सो इट इज़ ईजी फॉर प्लेन्स टू बिल्ड a house and we grow crops also. Okay, crops means like rice, wheat, these are the crops. Okay, we can grow crops on the plain areas. Okay, and the weather is usually hot. यहाँ पर हमेशा वेदर क्या रहता है, हॉट रहता है. ओके, इन दिस रीजन वेदर क्या होता है, हॉट रहता है. So children, today this much only. In the next class I am going to explain plateau, desert, island and the next page, that is page number 88, waters and river. Here your class ends. See you in the next class. Thank you.